Hi, welcome to Mini Shorts. Everyone, welcome to Mini Shorts working on my Mini 25. So we're going to look at sill removal today. So under here you can see where we've removed the lip, and you see all these little spots where I've drilled out. That has actually left quite a soft edge where I have just cut the top lip off. It's double thickness and it's a lot stronger, but that might still need removing to get the sill to be a good fit. Under the bottom here again you can see where we've used the spot weld drill, and here are a couple of pieces of metal. This is the old lip from underneath here. This is the old bottom of the sill where the drainage points are, and again drilled out the spot welds. In order to make it easier, I first cut out the large section of the sill. Once removed, obviously all needs cleaning up a lot, patches or replacement in a sill, and then we have a new sill which will go on here. That's all for this one on the sills. Thanks for listening. Cheers, hi.